You can never ever be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, and lots of other positive things if you still have this one friend. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who is trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5 to 6 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 26, 2025, and this is gonna be day 383 of consistently helping people build consistency. Let's say you have this one friend and you do good things for him. But the thing here is that he never say any thank you. He never appreciate you for doing the right thing. But at the same time, when you miss doing the good things, you do not do the good things for him, well, he gets upset, he gets angry, he gets so disappointed at you. Well, I think we can all pretty much agree that this is a really toxic relation that you have. And how can you do something positive consistently if you are in this relation with him or her? I don't know about you, right? But let me ask you one question. What if, just what if, this is actually the type of relation that you have with yourself? What if this one toxic friend that we are talking about is actually you to yourself? You have so many high expectations for yourself. You want to be this, you want to be that. But every single time you show up and try to fulfill that expectation, you never appreciate yourself for doing the right thing. But at the same time, you always judge yourself, get angry when you fail to be consistent. If that's the case, well, please fix the relationship that you have with yourself. You always deserve that thank you every single time you show up. Good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that more people will get this message. And for today's day of consistent post, today's July 26, 2025, and today's memes are posted a Mario post last 24 hours, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.